Look what I got in the mail today. This is a smartwatch, T3 Ultra 2. Man, uncover and conquer rugged wilderness. You won't believe what this watch can do. I am going to put it to the test. Stay tuned for that. You're going to want to check this out. Hey, welcome to Gold Fever Adventures. I just got this in the mail today. And what this is, it's a smart watch. And by kind of looking at it and the reviews that I've been seeing, this is pretty impressive. What I'm going to do is unbox it, and I got to put it together. And then I'm going to go out on a mining claim, private mining claim, do a little bit of metal detecting, and maybe a little bit of gold digging. I'm going to put this thing to the test. It says it's pretty rugged. We'll see how rugged it really is, but it's got little features. Let's talk about some of these features on this watch. KOSPET T3 Ultra 2. It says dual band and 6 satellite positioning system. Barometric pressure, built-in compass, altitude measurements, rugged design, 170 plus sports modes, smart recognition, Bluetooth calls, stainless steel body. I mean, this thing, Gorilla Glass. Let me go ahead and unbox this here. Let's see. Maybe I can just peel this off. I think I can just peel this off here. It looks like a safety bands on here. That's what these are. Very well secure, that's for sure. That is for secure. Okay, let's see here. That's going to be the hardest thing, is just getting into this thing. I can tell that already. Just getting into this thing. Okay. Well, let's see what this looks like. Oh, there's the watch. Man, that's nice and heavy. That is heavy, all right. I'm a very active person, and so I tend to, I really don't wear watches because I end up destroying them. I bang them on stuff and knock them out. But, oh, see, it's got sensors on the back. I can see this right now, so this probably like does heart monitor stuff and all that type of stuff. Let's see here. See what's all in here. That's to charge it. The instructions. I'm going to look over these instructions before I go out. What's this here? Oh, this looks. Oh, this is a protective glass. That's cool. I'll definitely put that on there. And see, this got to be the bands, I'm assuming. Okay, this is the bands to hook on. Let me go ahead and get this together, get this thing charged up. And oh, it's magnetic. Just going to be able to just touch that together there, I'm assuming. I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to assume that's what that is. Anyway, let me get this together, read these instructions, and we'll see, go from there. Look at some of the features on this thing here. Push that button. You can call, daily activity, your workout, records, heart rate. Whoa, I'm beating at 80. That's just because I was just outside. Okay. Resting. Okay. You guys don't need to see all of my vital statistics there. Sleep. Blood pressure, blood oxygen. What's my blood oxygen? Okay, it's reading it there. Tells me I don't have any blood oxygen. Start measuring. Oh, measuring. Please stay still. Oh, well, that ain't going to work then, is it? Because I haven't been staying still. Let's see what it does. Can't find my blood oxygen. How still do I have to stay? %. Okay. I guess that means I'm alive. So, stress, alarm, timers, calculators. Oh, it's got a flashlight. Find my phone. Settings. Cool. Okay. Should I call? Did I get my contacts? No, I ain't got no contacts in here yet. Okay. What other features? Push this watch and it says set more features for bottom button. Nah, I don't want to do that right now. What's this button do? Gives me a bunch more stuff. Okay. What does this button do? Oh, I'd use my phone. It's charging. Uh-oh. Draining water. Oh, that's if it gets wet, huh? Oh, okay. Cool. All right. That's enough for that, huh? That's a pretty design. I kind of like that design. Look how this is just all laid in right there. It looks like gravel layers. You see, I just came in. That's a good layer. That's a good layer. That's a good layer right there. Ooh, I can smell the yellow gold. I can smell it. Yes, this is what I want. Look how good this gravel layer is right there. Look at that. That's some nice stuff right there. All that right there. This when you get undermining though, you take out these layers and then the thing collapses down on you. So kind of got to take it all because you don't want a coyote hole back. Oh, but look at that. Look at that good gravel layer. It's pretty thick right in there. Whew. The exercise. Well, so I made it back here. I tell you what, this watch, I've only used, well, all day today, only 98%. I still have battery life left. This thing's going to last a long time on this battery life left. But man, it's pretty cool. Does my heart rate, beats per minute. Wow, man, this is really kind of cool. It's got a lot of features. And I tell you what, I was banging this thing around and scratching it. I put the safety glass on it too. But scratch proof, hammered it away. And you know what else it is? Look at this. I got a panty tub. Oh man, in the water. Oh no. Yeah, it's waterproof. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Man, this is a very rugged. It is rugged. Did I say this thing was rugged? This thing will take a beating and keep on ticking. Anyways, I've got some material that I'm going to go ahead and gold pan on out. See if I can get some gold. But hey, Kosfit watch right here. This is really cool. Oh, really cool. You got to check it out. I'll leave the link down below. But got a lot of cool features on it. Anyways, I was happy with it. Want to thank them for sending it to me to give it an old test. So anyways, I'll take it off right. I did it again. Tell you what, this thing is almost destructor proof and priced just right. Can't beat it.